If your packaging lines is causing rejects or downtime, this is the first place to look. The issue is usually buying separate machines that do not integrate into a reliable production line. When this is ignored, the machine can look busy while the line is still losing output, product, or operator time. The cost is not only the reject pack. It is rework, cleaning, stoppages, missed orders, and operators compensating for a process that should be controlled by the machinery. The practical check is simple: show filling, capping, labeling, conveyors, coding, and end-of-line packing as one flow. Do this before you choose the final machine specification, not after the machine has been installed. Technically, line integration depends on throughput, product handling, control logic, accumulation, and changeover strategy. That is why two products that appear similar can need very different machinery setups. Typical applications include new production lines, automation upgrades, line extensions, and factory layout improvements. The right solution depends on your product, pack format, output target, and the level of automation you want to reach. If you are comparing packaging machinery, send Lansing UK your product, container, closure, label, or pack format, required output, and any videos of your current process. We can help you review the right route before you spend money on the wrong machine.